Because designing of human beings is the hands of God. Now God has created me and you. And He says, I'm no longer in the tabernacle. I'm no longer in the temple. Now I live in you. I live in the temple that is built by my own hands. But you might not know.
You'll never know.
You might not know.
And yet was.
But the Lord lives in you. Let's remember the tabernacle. If you step in and you are dirty,
you die.
Now God says, I live in you. I live